Client end URL, or shortly cURL, is a tool for sending HTTP requests and transferring data. It is used through the command line and runs on libcurl. When you type a command, cURL parses the URL, connects to the host, sends the request, gets the response, and finally prints the result in the terminal. cURL is so popular because it can do almost anything: test endpoints, fetch pages, interact with APIs, and gather data. On macOS and Linux, cURL is usually pre-installed. You can check with this command: cURL version. If you don't see it, try and use Homebrew for macOS and Package Manager for Linux systems. Windows 10 Plus also usually has it. For early versions, download the right version from the cURL official website. Instead of connecting directly to the target cURL, can route requests through a proxy, giving users more privacy, traffic filtering, and IP protection. Cases like web scraping, location flexibility, API testing, or geo-targeting require a combination of cURL and reputable proxy provider. Go to your DataImpulse dashboard and set your proxy credentials, such as a password, login, host, and port. To continue, we have to mention this useful cURL proxy parameter. X, or proxy, is used to specify the proxy server. So the basic command will look like this. If authentication is required, paste your username and password from your dashboard. Now, what is advanced proxy configuration? It lets you automate how cURL uses a proxy. You can set a proxy globally with environment variables, or use a cURL file to ensure every request uses the same proxy automatically. You can also set a proxy per request with the X parameter when different requests need different proxies. And if some connections should be skip the proxy, cURL supports no proxy and no proxy variables to bypass it for specific host or local services. Users often ask how the three main protocols differ. An HTTP proxy is the simplest and will route your request through a proxy without encryption. HTTPS, on the other hand, makes your connection secure, as it routes traffic with TLS encryption. Here is an example of code: cURL X HTTP proxy IP port HTTPS example.com. SOX 5 proxy is flexible. It will forward traffic without modifying it. It is a great choice for engineers because it's transparent and protocol agnostic. When one IP is used multiple times, you can stumble upon CAPTCHA or rate limits. Rotating proxies spread requests across many IPs and traffic looks like real users instead of automation. In this example, you may see how each request can return a different IP if you run in 3 times in a row. This method is perfect for scraping because the rotating mode changes the IP on every request. There are also sticky sessions, or when you stick to the same IP. It means they keep the same IP for a set time, 560 minutes. Sticky works best for logins and authentication. Now let's talk about the most common errors. When you get the proxy connection refused message, it means cURL can't reach the proxy server. Try checking the firewall and the proxy settings, including host and port. Test the proxy by using this command. Next, the 407 or authentication failed errors show that the login details are wrong or missing. Double-check your username, password, host, and port. Don't embed credentials in URLs and use the U flag instead. For example, SSL errors are typically caused by outdated certificates. Update them and use K only for testing. Sometimes the server is too slow or doesn't respond. It is so-called timeout issue. You can fix it by setting explicit timeouts like this code example shows. Here is debugging tip. Use verbose mode to see exactly where the request fails. It prints the full connection sequence. For more optimized workflow, use cURL with a reliable proxy provider. With a single command line tool, a few parameters, you can scrape globally, test APIs, and automate requests from everywhere in the world. Pay attention to the configuration. Choose the right proxy type. Rotate IPs. Limit request rate. Use custom headers and avoid free proxy service. Go for DataImpulse, a secure proxy solution for fast connections and accurate data. Stay in touch for the next 2 videos.